Hi, I'm Paul with rackattack.com, and this is the Yakima baseline JetStream roof rack system for the Lexus IS 2014 through 2021. This system comprises three components, starting with the baseline towers, set of 4, the JetStream load bars, set of 2, available in silver or black, and 2 sets of 2 of the baseline pad and clip sets. And I'll go over all these components in detail, starting with the JetStream load bars. This one we've cut down so that you can see the extruded aluminum box beam construction. The overall shape is designed to minimize wind noise and wind drag. There is a dedicated slot along the top of the bar in order to attach certain accessories for a very clean, integrated method of attachment. On the underside of the bar is another slot in which the tower is fastened, and alongside that slot are measurement numbers, and those numbers will guide you in the correct placement of the tower onto the bar for this vehicle. Now, the tower itself has multiple adjustments in order to get a very custom fit to the vehicle, and to access those adjustments you would first remove this outer cover. And to do so, you just grip at the top and squeeze and pull down and back. And that'll give you the access to all the various fasteners and adjustments. So first, we'll pull back on this panel, and that gives us access to this fastener, which holds the tower to the bar. It also offers a pitch adjustment, which is the angle of the bar relative to the tower. And this will help to compensate for curvatures in the roof line. Now, when I close this cover, you'll see that it prevents access to that fastener for security. Now, here we have an additional adjustment. That is the toe adjustment for the pad and clip assembly. And we'll go ahead and demonstrate that with the tool that's included with the towers. So we'll just loosen that up. And then here you can see you've got 3 points of adjustment, which will help to match the pad and clip assembly to the door frame the best. Now, when we tighten that back up, this tool will click, and that indicates that you've reached the correct tightness. Now, this tool is also used for all the other fasteners on the tower. Okay, now here we have an additional adjustment. When that fastener is tightened, it will draw inward the clip against the door frame. And underneath this panel is the final adjustment. When that is tightened, that'll draw the clip upward against the door frame. Now, the clip itself is strong steel construction with a tough black powder coat finish and a rubber pad where the clip will make contact with the door frame, providing grip and protection to the finish of the paint. Now, here you have a pivoting pad assembly. That'll help to match the curvature of the roof. And then the rubber is vehicle specific and will have a shape that best matches the area in which it rests on the roof. Now we can go ahead and put the cover back into place, and that just connects at the bottom and then snaps at the top. And here you'll notice we have a plastic plug, and that plug can be removed and replaced with a Yakima SKS lock core. These cores are sold in match sets. SKS stands for Same Key System. These can be purchased separately in order to have all of your towers and other SKS compatible accessories and carriers all key match for security and convenience. Okay, so those are all the main features of the Yakima baseline JetStream roof rack system. This product and the full line of Yakima products are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in the video description for all your buying options. If you have any questions or comments about this system in particular, feel free to leave those in the comment section below. And consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. We have over 2,000 rack-related videos, and we upload new videos weekly. That's all for this one, and thanks for watching.